I'm Vacation and I'm going to talk about emojis. Emojis, uh, they are important because we want to convey the our emotion to around our ourselves, around any peoples. Consider I am testing you. I am if I am in happy mood texting you, I am going to happy emojis. If consider I am texting in a sad mood, I'm test click the sad emoji so that it is playing a vital role in emotion conversation. And welcome to our channel. In this video, we going to discuss about how it is formed and how it is making a vital role in our life. And welcome to our channel, Independent CJ. Before going to this, we want to know a basic knowledge about language. Before, uh, before any centuries, they are conveying the message by actions, and then they want to condition that they are moved to any countries around the world, so that they are scripted in the picturized form in the stones or trees, any kind of objects. And then they are coming industrial revolution, and then making a computer into the into big computer, into small computer, personal computer, and then they want to convey the message, and then we want to convey the message. There is a in 19 period there is a web page is there. They posting the blogging in their blogging the websites, but they can convey in this conveying the message is very conveying the message is very critical to the all the bloggers, so that in September 1980 in 1982, the Scott Framman introduced a theory of a colon with hyphen with a closed bracket. It is a symbol of smile, or it's a joke. If the colon hyphen open bracket is it is a sad situation or a serious situation. It is helpful for any bloggers or any web creators. It is useful, and then it is a basic emojicon. Emojicon means emotional, and then icon. It is formed as emojicon in 1989. In 1999, the Japan people Japan person Shiriga Kakutra, it is a founder of the emoji. He was first invited the art symbol in the visor coat. It is famous because the youngsters of 19 peoples were attracted by younger people attracted by these emojis, and then there is he considered that there is a demand for emojis, so that he created 176 emojis in the Tata Docomo phone. And then few years gone, 2011, the Apple introduced an app called Emojis, which is having a many emojis in the Apple phone. It is in iOS 5. In Android phone, there is taking 2 years, because taking 2 years to improve this communication emojis, because there are many Android phones, so that we want to connect all the phones into one unique unique code created in 2013. Oxford English Dictionary has recognized that emoji as a word in the dictionary in joy and tear emoji. They are thousand. They are 99 percentage of internet users are using, and then so a single day, a daily life, the 10 million emojis are used in the internet. After the introduction of 176 emojis, they are introducing up to the 1017 emojis by the Unicode. Now the total emojis is 3304 emojis are there. Thanks for watching. Thanks. I forgot to say that the emojis were introduced to making a weather report. Thank you.